Are you planning to build a new home or have a large-scale renovation project and want to act as the builder but have no idea where to begin? This may seem like a daunting task, but with help from a professional estimator at Total Takeoffs, you can start your next building or reconstruction project with confidence. Total Takeoffs will prepare an itemized construction cost estimate, indexed for your local market, so you can have an upfront, accurate building estimate before you even start. We can also prepare a feasibility study using your schematics or conceptual drawings, so you can know ahead of time whether you should continue with the expense of the design process. You can also save 25% on building costs when you have us prepare a material takeoff, so you can order direct from your local building supply retailers that issue labor-only contracts, just like the professionals. Are you applying for a construction loan? If so, your bank may require you to submit an itemized estimate to secure a construction loan. We offer this service and specialize in preparing detailed bank-level estimates explicitly indexed for your local area. Our estimates are delivered on an Excel worksheet which can be edited if need be, or we can follow the template provided by your bank. We can also provide the following services needed once you receive your building permit: material takeoffs, value engineering, and procurement assistance. Professional builders rely on us to handle this part of their processes, so why would you take on one of the most complex undertakings without the proper skills? Let Total Takeoffs get you started off right. Click on the red Takeoff Request button to begin.